Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Washington State University account. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So what I want you to do first is open up a browser of your choice and search for MyWSU login. And then select the first link, which will take you to the Washington State University login page where you need to enter your username. And once you have done that, you can click on Keep Me Signed In if you don't want to keep on entering your username every time you want to log into your account. And once that's done, simply select Next, which will take you to the page where you need to enter your password. And once you've done that, simply select Sign In. And that's how you log into your Washington State University account. So that's all for today, guys. Give us a thumbs up if this video was helpful for you. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Please feel free to comment and let us know if you have any doubts. And hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time we post a video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.